Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best 3D printers under 500 you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. You may have seen our recent reviews on the best 3D printers under $300 and the best 3D printers under $200, which are ideal for anyone just getting started with 3D printing. But if you want to take your 3D experience to the next level and have a slightly larger budget, we've found 9 of the best 3D printers under $500 on Amazon. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Creality Ender 5 Pro 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 5 Pro 3D printer is an Amazon's choice product with an updated silent motherboard, removable magnet construction plate, and a sturdy metal extruder frame. It has precise printing, smooth feeding, and a 5-minute warm-up time for the hotbed. This is a kit printer on a tight budget, one satisfied Amazon customer said, but with some TLC, it can easily match the much more expensive printers. On number 2, Anycubic Photon Mono UV Resin 3D Printer. The Anycubic Photon Mono UV Resin 3D printer has a lot to offer, including a rapid printing speed, a huge build volume, stability, superb details, and high precision printing. Despite the fact that it's a UV printer, you can safely observe your prints being made thanks to the integrated UV blocking top cover. One reviewer writes, "I wanted a printer that could generate detailed miniatures, and this suited the bill beautifully." On number 1, GEEETECH A20M. Dual extrusion changes the game for 3D printed objects, allowing for more colorful and spectacular prints to be produced. The GEEETECH A20M is our pick for the best twin extruder 3D printer under $500, offering mixed color and graded color printing. One 5-star review reads, "This is a well-made machine that prints great. The dual extruder is fantastic, and it can be utilized for long prints by switching filament at the spool's end, or printing 2 colors with a purging tower. It's great that I can use one material for support and a different one for the main print." So guys, this was the video about the best 3D printers under $500. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.